Yo, what's going on, guys? This is going to be a quick and easy Photoshop tutorial on how to do this double exposure effect. So this, we can see where there's a background picture within this picture. So let's get started. Let's load up Photoshop, create a new file. Alright, let's do 1920 by 1080. And let's drag in our pictures. So first drag in the background. Let me just copy and paste this. Okay, I need to resize it. Make sure it fits in properly. Okay, boom. That'll do. And then let's drag in the guy. Alright. Copy, paste. Yeah, I think that's good enough. And then all you have to do, you see on this layer section, you look to it, at the minute it's saying normal, just change it to screen, and boom, that's done. Now let's try another example. So let me get picture, let's try a different background first. Okay, let's put this in, see how this looks. What I'm going to drag it below the guy, and then resize it again. Okay, I think that looks good. Drag it up so you can see the difference. Okay, that's another example. And let's try with a different picture. Another picture of a guy. See, it's best to get a picture where there's like a white background or a light background, and then the person's like or the object like has a darker color. And let's paste this in. Let me just do two. Okay. Let's now add the screen effect. Can you see it there? It's appeared. Now let me just show you one example. Like if the person has like a black background, just try this freaky picture. Just copy paste that in here, and then screen effect. So you see the white shows, but then the black disappears in the background. So yeah, you can pick how you want to use it. You can either have like this, or you can have like this. So it depends on the background. But I think probably like this maybe looks better with the white background and the shadows on the person. Alright guys, take care. Peace.